Good morning to all students of class first year RS Inter College. Today I have to get the central idea written of the poem Mercy. The central idea I am sending to you in the WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp you can see it and note it. I am explaining it, how to write it and how to manage it. It is nothing else, as I told you, that Mercy is the part of the play The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. In the court scene, it is the Portia's speech. But as a poem, we may say that it is sonnet form of poetry written by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was sonnet writer also. He was also the great dramatist who wrote Hamlet, Macbeth, Julius Caesar, The Merchant of Venice, etc. His plays are very popular. So from The Merchant of Venice, this poem has been extracted or selected. In this poem, the poet has described that virtue is the divine quality. It is the best quality of human being. It is the ornament of the human being. If any person is kind, he is like the God or the angel. The poet says that mercy is such quality as does not need any kind of pressure, any kind of request. But the merciful man, when he overlooks himself, the needy person, he helps him without any request. And in this way, he gives relief to the needy person, to the troubled person. In short, we may say that mercy acts as the work of the balm, as the rain gives relief in the hot summer. In the same way, mercy gives relief to the needy person whenever he is troubled. It means the weak and poor must be helped. It is the humanity. God is obeyed, respected. Why? Because he has the royal authority. He can punish any person who does not obey his orders, who does not regard him. He may be punished. And no person can check him from giving the punishment to any person. None can say it is right or it is wrong. So that's why, due to fear, the people respect him, the people obey his orders. But the king, who is the kind, the merciful, is supposed that he is the advent of God. He is representative of the God. And that's why the people respect him and obey his orders like the orders of God. And they think that these orders have been made for their progress, for their goodness, and for their better being. So, the poet wants that everybody should be kind, merciful to the weak and poor. Judgment is given by the court, by the kings. It is accepted by everybody. But if the judgment mixed with the kindness or mercy, is better. It is more popular because there is humanity when the such kind of decision is given by any court or any king. So such decision, such judgment is praised by everybody. Thank you very much.